Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add effects to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, enter up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top toolbar where we see File. Go to File, Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this. Now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now what we will do is, if we were to, let's just say, click on any slide, I'll just click on the first one. We should go to the right top corner of the screen where we have Format, Animate, Document. Let's click on Animate. You should have selected a slide and then now add effect. This will give us a variety of effects that we can add to the slide itself. Let's just go down to Appear, Remove, click on Grid. Let's go to the second slide. Same thing, add effects. Flip, spin and scale. Object effects or text effects. Let's go back to Appear, Remove. Let's change to, let's just say, push. Third one, same thing, wipe. Fourth, add, switch. Fifth, dissolve, and so on. Now if I were to, let's just say, play the presentation itself on this Mac, yes, enter, and we see the first effect taking place, second, third, fourth, and the fifth effect. Escape to exit, Command S to save, and so that's how you add an effect to your presentation on the Keynote application. We can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.